So the question is, why do we need a cloud computing? First thing is that you can share the resource. Second thing, okay, your local systems like your desktop. This is your desktop. This is your laptop. This is mobile, and this is tablet. Suppose, okay, every system they have some constraint. What are the constraint they have in term of processing speed, in term of memory, right? Means some people now the people means the can like students that you have joined this class, some of them they have very good laptop like a gaming laptop or i7 i9 processor. Some of them have a dual core, or even some of them they have connected with mobile. So you have some constraint. What are the constraint? Your processing speed, your processor. Some of them have a i5 i7, some of them i7, some of them have i9. In term of RAM also, some are having 4 GB, some are having 8 GB, and some of them are having 16 GB. Even those who join with the mobile, they are having suppose 2 GB. Now, these are your constraint. Constraint means limitation, you can think it. Now, if you have this constraint, suppose if requirement comes that you wanted to save a data, or you wanted to run any application that requires more than 16 GB, then will you able to run application? No, right? So in that case, this cloud is very helpful. This cloud will provide you memory, processing speed based on your requirement. You can purchase them. It's completely pay basis service. How much you use, for that only you will going to pay. For example, you have to run machine learning application, suppose face recognition, that require 30 GB of RAM. For example, your system will be failed to run that. In that case, cloud can you can easily run those application on the cloud. Cloud will provide you the services where you can run application. You don't have to think about this constraint. That's why nowadays company are using this cloud. One more reason. See, storage. Storage means your hard disk. Now you have this many people those who have joined this class. All of them they have either 512 GB of storage. Some of them they have 1 TB, or some of them they have less than that. If they have joined with mobile, they have 128 GB of that. Now here, this is your constraint. If the requirement comes about this storage, suppose you wanted to save any web series or movie that is having more than 512 GB, then your local laptop will be failed, right? In that case, you can save a data on the cloud. I will going to show you how you can save a data on the cloud greater than 1000 GB also, or how you can save any file on the cloud. So this is the advantage of using cloud. You can run your application also, which is not possible to run on the local system like mobile, laptop, and desktop. So I hope it is clear to you what is cloud. Why do we need a cloud?